Hi, Steve here, and thanks for watching this video. I'm so excited to tell you that sales of the LinkedIn LeadGen conference and workshop, which has been held on the 5th of December in Basingstoke, are now open. Tickets are now for sale, so use the form below if you want to sign up. And just want to clarify that, if you do sign up now, in fact, if you sign up before the 25th of November, then you get all the benefits below. So not only do you get this fantastic seminar that's going to really show you exactly, specifically, a system for winning business on LinkedIn that if you implement, I guarantee will work for you. Not only are you going to get that, but you're also going to get to spend an additional day with me working as part of a small group to really try to help you with your digital, online, LinkedIn, social media, and everything else to do with online marketing. So we're going to do that in my office. So you get that on top of the attending the event. In addition to that, you're also going to get access to my online LinkedIn training. And the reason for that is very simple, that basically, I'm sure you've been on seminars and at the end of it, you've gone away and thought, oh, that was a great day. And then, 2 weeks later, you can't actually remember what you actually learned on the day. So this is going to be for you an online training course that will enable you to relearn everything that you've learned on the day. So if you're thinking, well, how did we do that? I can't quite remember. You can just go in, log in with your username and password, and you'll gain access to all the training that you're going to learn on this fantastic day. One final benefit is that I'm going to also give you access to something I call my Results Club, which is again online training. There's over 100 videos. It's years and years of my best stuff. I've been doing this for 25 years now, helping small businesses to grow. And I've turned all my knowledge, all my skills, all my expertise, and I've put it all on video for you to access whenever you want, 24/7. So go down below. All that by the way is normally going to after the 25th of November. It'll be £399. Right now, you can get that for £99. That's £300 off. Honestly, it's an absolute no-brainer. It'll be the best £99 you spend in the next year in terms of helping your business to grow. Thank you very much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you on the 5th of December. Thanks very much.